Okay, back to practice test 2, section 7. We have 2 more problems to work. I was afraid I wasn't going to finish this problem, and turns out I did run out of time. So let's go back and review it again. Let's say we have X coins in the bag at the very beginning. Steve grabs a third, Joe grabs a third, and Joe grabs a fourth, and Kyle grabs a sixth, and Ryan actually grabs 6 coins. So this is the number of coins Steve grabs, 1/3 of X, Joe grabs 1/4 of X, Kyle grabs 1/6 of X, and Ryan actually grabs 6. Well, the number of coins, this sum has to equal X. So now it's just a matter of solving for X. Now we need a common denominator. Here I think I'll use 12 for my common denominator. So this is 4/12 plus 3/12 plus 2/12, which is 9/12. Well, 9/12 is 3/4, so if I subtract 3/4 from both sides, 1x minus 3/4 x is 1/4 x. So there were 24 coins in the bag, C. Now if you don't, now there's a lot of algebra here. So if you don't like this algebra, just guess and check. Try 24 coins, see if it works out. Try 27, try 281, and just find an answer choice that works. So let's say you try 24. So let's assume there are 24 coins in the bag. That means Steve would grab 8, Joe would grab 6, Kyle would grab 4, and Ryan would grab 6. Does that equal 24 coins? Well, 6 and 8 is 14, plus 4 more is 18, plus 6 is 24. Sure, that works. 16. Y is equal to 2 3/4. I think I will call that 11/4. Which of the following expressions is equal to 2 cubed? Well, 2 cubed is 8. So what do we need to do to y to get it to look like 8? So we have 11/4, and I want to get it to look like 8. Well, if I multiply it by 4, that gives me 11. And then I would need to subtract 3 to get 8. So that's not, I don't see that possibility there. Okay, I'm having trouble with this problem because I don't see any answer choice that works. Oh, I bet I know what the problem is. I think that's a typo or a bad font. I think that means 2 to the 3/4 power. That's what it is. So how do we get y is equal to 2 to the 3/4 power to get that to look like 2 cubed? So 2 to the 3/4 power. What can we do to that to make it look like 2 cubed? Well, I think we just raise it to the 4th power, don't we? Power to a power we multiply. 3/4 times 4 is 3. Okay, so we're going to take y and raise it to the 4th power, and that will make it look like 2 cubed. That should be answer choice D. That's the only way I can find this problem working out. 2 3/4 just doesn't, there's no way to get an answer choice that makes sense. So I'm going to assume they meant to write 2 to the 3/4 power, and we'll work it this way.